Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to have a look with you on a beautiful software for Windows machines called Lively Wallpaper. It is a software which I discovered a while back, using it for about 5 years and really enjoying it because it will transform your Windows machine from looking like this to looking like this. Without further ado, let's jump on the desktop and get into it. Today's video will be split it in 5 different steps. We will start with step 1 would be the installation. Then we will jump into the configuration. It will be the download of new wallpapers and some sites which can bring you some inspiration on what you can take. Adding that wallpaper, and the point number 5 will be a bonus point in which I will throw 2 tips how you can make your configuration look better and maybe configure it as you would like to have it in a more customized way. Without further ado, let's have a look. So yes, now we are on the desktop. As you can see, we have the boring default wallpaper for Windows, which can be found in the internet if Googling a little bit. And this is the part which we want to change and go to that beautiful animated wallpaper which we are referring to using Lively Wallpaper. The first step would be to go on the website of the producer, and that would look like this. So that would be a GitHub website, and I will share the link in the description with you. As you can see, this is a free and open source software project, so therefore it can be used by anyone without any costs involved. So another plus for this program. Here you can see the features of the software. I will go through those in a little while. And then we have the download button below, which is the most important for us, of course. We have the 2 possibilities to take the software. One would be to get it from Microsoft Store. So I would like to show you how we can have it. So we will open Microsoft Store on our machine, look for Lively, and you can see there's the first download. It will be the download button for our software. This is not the way in which I would like to get the software. My second choice would be the installer, which can be clicked and the download will be started. As you can see, it is in download for 232 megabytes. So therefore, it's not really a small piece of software, especially for a wallpaper configuration. Nevertheless, it has a really clean interface, and it's really easy to configure it and to set it into place. Now that the download is complete, let's open the installation of the software. Of course, as all the software for Windows, so pretty much all the software for Windows, we'll have the next wizard. So let's go through it. We have English as a language. We will have next, then we will accept, of course, the conditions which we always thoroughly read. I would like to create a desktop shortcut usually because even though it will run minimized on the system tray, it's good to have it in the beginning so you can double click it and configure it as you would please. And start with Windows, so therefore anytime you log out or you restart your computer, it will start automatically, replacing your boring desktop which Windows has. Next, we will get to the last install part, and after you click install, the installation will start and will complete. I will not do this because this is already installed on my machine, so therefore I will exit this, but you can go through that's the last step. After the installation is complete, let's start the software, going through start and using Lively as a word to search for, and we will have that beautiful interface which you can see here. As you can notice, there are some wallpapers which are already installed in order to demonstrate. So let's just minimize and see how it looks like. Okay. So I would say that this is a big difference compared with the boring image which we had earlier on. Let's switch back. Firstly, I would like to point out the buttons above. So we have the library button where all the wallpapers which you configured on the system will be imported. We have the gallery button which will be coming soon. I would assume that this button will be reserved for for example, a local gallery within Lively of wallpapers. Of course, I will provide you some links where you can download now the live wallpapers which can be used, but in the future maybe they will be included in the interface, and that would be a really good addition. Let's have the next element. That would be the add wallpaper. That we will use it a little bit later on. We have the active wallpapers button. This will clarify which desktop has which wallpaper in case you have multiple desktops. We have, of course, the sound bar. We have the like button, help and about, and the settings. The first button which I would like to discuss, it would be the two active wallpapers. As you can see, there are the two monitors which are currently configured on my computer, and the selection of it, you can do it with the mouse. That's really not a problem. And you can see the wallpapers can be configured on the screen only. They can span across screens or duplicate the same wallpaper. So as the name suggests, duplicate same wallpaper, you can have it on the same wallpaper on both screens. I prefer to have the selected screen only, because then you will have two wallpapers, each screen having a different one. Therefore, I would say that this is something which is a little bit interesting. Here is the button which says that the wallpaper shouldn't be used. As you can see, now I switch back to the boring part of the Windows side. So yeah, that looks pretty bad. So let's come back to adding one wallpaper which can be used. For adding wallpapers, we have two possibilities. So we have, as I mentioned, we have the possibility to use the library for the wallpapers which are already included on the software. So let's check the desktops we have on the second one. Let's put, for example, this beautiful seaside with the trees and the sun and in the background. So this is one of my favorites, and you noticed how fast this is. So if I would like on the second monitor, it's simply like selecting it, going through OK, and then clicking add wallpaper, and then I have on the second monitor a different wallpaper, live wallpaper, which is configured. So this is the first possibility. The second possibility would be to add completely new wallpapers, and for this I have downloaded two new wallpapers in my gallery. So let's have, for example, apartment rain window. As you can see, it pops up. Let's have a description. If this is interesting, author, maybe from this could be something which you can refer to yourself if you are the author for it, or refer to the person from which you downloaded the wallpaper. And you can maybe write the website so you won't forget in case you find a beautiful wallpaper and you would like to visit it again. Then you can write the website here. I will not write anything now. I will import it as it is, just to demonstrate how easy it is. So we will wait a few seconds. As you can see, the bar loads here, and now it's included in the gallery. In order to change it, I'm going back to selecting which monitor is currently the one which I'm interested in, and then as simply as clicking, and right away I will have a beautiful raining bedroom, and maybe it will fit with the weather outside, maybe it will fit with my mood, but in a few seconds, as you can see, I have a beautiful wallpaper which is animated. Regarding the wallpapers and where we can get it, I have prepared for you two links, or three links which you can use. One would be the pixabay.com. There is a good selection of really nice wallpapers which you can use, and it's as simple as that. So they are free, and just have a look how the video will play out, and then just click on the download button, select the resolution of your screen, and download it to the local machine. Yeah, it's as simple as that. Then we have mylivewallpapers.com. This is a more, let's say, science fiction type of wallpaper. So we have a lot of selection also here, but as you can see, there is more science fiction involved into this. So it's not really the nature stuff as you saw on Pixabay, but nevertheless they are beautiful. So it depends on the taste. You can find something here also for yourself. And the last one is the DeviantArt website, from which I've downloaded the rain wallpaper. As you can see, there is also a big selection of wallpapers here also. I will link all three links in the description below, so you can directly jump into it and search for yourself the wallpaper which suits you the best. For the last point, I would like to jump into the bonus section, so the tips section, in which I will split it into two parts. The first part would be how to add your own live wallpaper from vacation. Yes, you heard me correctly. You can add your own wallpaper to this and have maybe a beautiful film which you have set or done in your vacation with either the sea or maybe the snow in the winter, and place it on your desktop as a wallpaper. Let me show you how we can do this. For this, I have prepared a video which was done in Greece in our vacation last year. So let me open my lively wallpaper. As I mentioned, we have now a new paper which we would like to add to the library. So add wallpaper, let's choose the file. I've added it on the desktop. As you can see, it is a filming in the evening with the waves, and I would like to place this as a wallpaper on my machine. As you can see, the speed of the import is really good and already is there. So how nice is this? It's incredible easy to do, incredible easy to configure, and you will have your own wallpaper configured on the machine with your own settings. In order to configure the screensaver, I will have the instruction below, but I share it on the screen right now. So there is a screensaver file which needs to be downloaded. Let's do it like right now. Afterwards, we will go to C Windows. Let's go to C. Let's go to Windows. Let's open now the downloads folder in order to take that file which we had. So I think it was lively screensaver, of course, and then extract it to the destination. I already did it, so let's do it again. Okay, so now we have the file extracted on our display settings. Search for screensaver. And choose from the option that you will have a new option now called lively. Choose it, waiting time 1 minute or 50 minutes or how long you would like to have it. Click apply, and then the two wallpapers which you have configured on your system will be configured as screensaver on the machine. How nice is that? If you have any other questions or any problems which you'll face in the installation which I proposed, let me know. Let me write in the commentary section, and I will try to answer it as soon as possible. Many thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.